Hi, my name is Song, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a OpenTok iOS app. First we're going to create a Cordova application and then we'll save it in our directory. Right after that you can run the application, but you'll get an error because the first time you run the application they'll actually generate a .dub folder that you need to use for your application. So after running it, you need to open up the directory that your project is stored in, drag the .dub folder into your project directory, and then run it again and it should work. And now since it works, let's move on to part 2, where you have to include the OpenTok SDK. So let's do that. First go to github.com/OpenTok, that's our company's GitHub profile, and then click on OpenTokPlugin, get the GitHub URL and clone it. So I've already done that before, so it'll give me a message saying the folder already exists. But after you clone it, go into the folder and then open up the sample Xcode project that is provided. So when you open up the project, look into the frameworks directory, and you would see a bunch of frameworks that OpenTok needs. So you want to take the ones that you don't have in your project currently and drag it in. You don't have to make a copy of them because these are system frameworks and you probably already have them. But OpenTok Framework is something we developed and you probably don't have it, so you need to make a copy. And then after that, there is one last bundle file that you should include in your project. So drag it into your main folder, create a copy, and that's it. Next, you want to go to your build settings and change the ARM architectures to ARM7. So there's two things you have to change here. So change it to ARM7 and delete the ARM6. And we're done adding the OpenTok framework to our application. Next, we have to add the Cordova plugin. So open up the file you downloaded from GitHub, take the .h and .m file and drag it into your plugins directory. And then copy your .js file, go to your .dub folder, open it, and then paste it there. And then we're almost done. The last step we have to do is to go to, under supported files, go to the Cordova.plist, and then what we have to do there is to tell Cordova that we added in an OpenTok plugin. So type TokBox and then OpenTok plugin. And then after that, go to ExternalHosts. You need an entry that allows you to talk to external websites and external ports. So just add a star, and then you are done. So now that we've set up everything, let's do a quick demo. Go to your .dub folder, open it up in your favorite text editor. I'm using Vim. So then first thing you have to do is you have to write a script. You have to include the JavaScript. So let's include the OpenTok iOS.js file that you copied into the folder. We're going to include that in our index.html. After that, you want to scroll down and look for a function called onDeviceReady. This is a function that will execute when everything on the device has loaded up. So in this function, let's look at our JavaScript library. Go to TokBox.com, click on documentation, and then our getting started tutorial. Go all the way to step 5 and just copy the JavaScript code there and paste it into your PhoneGap HTML file. So the same code that would run on the website would be executed on your iOS app. And basically what it's going to do is your app will be subscribing and publishing to the getting started session. So paste the code in and write in the my publisher div ID, and then your code would convert that div into a video stream for publishers. And then you're good to go. Save the file and then go to your Xcode. Make sure that you're deploying to your physical device because Simulators doesn't have a camera. hit run, and it should be deployed on your application. Now, if we go to the website and we publish to the same stream that your phone is publishing to, you'll be able to see the phone video feed. And on the bottom right, that's the video feed from my iPad. Thanks for watching. My name is Song. If you have any questions, email me, song@tokbox.com, or send me a tweet.